in Sweeney's Pharmacy today, which was made famous by James Joyce's Ulysses, where in episode 5, Leopold Bloom comes in to pick up a prescription for his wife Molly, and he also ends up picking up a bar of lemon soap on tick, which he promises to pay back later that day, but as we know from the book, he never comes back. So the building was built in 1847. Since then, it's been owned by various different chemists and pharmacists, but in 2009, it looked like the chemist was going to finally shut its doors, which would have been a massive shame because this place is a time capsule from that period. Everything from the counter, the vials, everything, even the original prescriptions are still waiting to be collected since they predate 1903. A number of people came in to take pictures of the interior. That was Brendan Kilty and PJ Murphy, and they made an arrangement with the landlord to run it as a sort of a memorabilia shop. And originally they were selling silver antiques, but eventually they brought in books and, crucially as well, the lemon soap in honour of Joyce's Ulysses. The biggest day is perhaps the Harvest Blooms Day every year, 16th of June. It's a cultural hub, it's a cultural institution. You get people from all over the world coming in here. PJ can speak over 10 languages, so he's able to converse with most people that come in and make them feel welcome. He'll also play them a song. I don't think there's any other building in Dublin like this, and it's very important that we do our best to preserve it. I wanted to preserve it in some form myself in the form of this book called Soap, which is a history of Sweeney's Pharmacy, and it tells its story from the beginning in 1847 right up to the present day. It is an enchanting place. It's very it draws you in, and it's been an honour to preserve its story in this little book here.